I'm filming this video in two parts. So this is the Koni STR.T kit, full kit. It comes with obviously 4 shocks, front and rear, and then you've got H&R springs, which are pretty good. And I have used these shocks before, but I haven't used these springs. So I'm hoping that it's going to be even better than the car I used them on last year. So it's a nice simple video. This is just the beginning of the video. I'm going to show you what you get in the kit. It's easy, it comes packed in a nice big box, plenty of padding, pretty good. The shocks are individually wrapped in boxes. The springs are sort of just placed in with a bit of bubble wrap over them. But all in all, you know, I think it's more than okay for the packaging considering the size of the box it comes in. So this kit's supposed to be 30-35mm. This is going on a Toyota Aygo. There's masses of applications available for this, and I bought this from Lark Speed. They seem to be the cheapest. This was 359 quid on the doorstep. So you can see there's your H&Rs, good quality looking stuff. That's the Koni rear shocks. The front shocks are in the bottom. There's a hole there. That's probably where the spring has punctured the box, but they'll be more than okay. So this is the car's standard ride height. It's a little bit higher than it would have been because I've taken a lot of weight out of the car. Rear seats, front seat was about 18 kilograms for the front seat, 18 kilograms for the rear bench. I've replaced the driver's seat with a 6 kilogram racing seat. So that sort of brings the car up a little bit. But we've got the 14-inch wheels on there with Toyo R888Rs. So there's quite a wheel arch gap there at the moment. But this afternoon now you'll be able to see the difference. So yeah, let's forward to this afternoon. And there we are, she's done. Sitting quite low. The ride is pretty harsh, but it's going to do the job. I'm so happy that I went with the full kit this time rather than just the shocks and changing out the springs for something else. It looks great as well. So I've not long picked her up. I took her somewhere tidy for a photo. A couple of photos. As you can see from these couple of shots, you can see there's no interior, just the one seat. Got to get the Koni box in there as well. You never know, may do me some favors. But I highly recommend this, and I can tell you it's good on track as well because I've used it. I say the shocks last year. This should be even better, which we'll find out now in a couple of weeks at Croft Circuit for the Toyota Sprint series, and see how we get on.